Let me show you how raids work on Twitch. Raids are really simple and can be used for great interactions within the Twitch community. All you have to do is type /raid space and then the person's channel name and hit send. This will start the raid off, and after the countdown you'll be able to hit start raid, which will go ahead and automatically send all of your viewers over to that person's stream. Beware that this will not end your stream though. Remember to stop streaming on OBS 2 to make sure the live is over. If you have your hands full, you can ask a mod to do this for you as long as you've given them the editor role in your Twitch roles manager. This can be found in your creator dashboard, but make sure you can only give it to people that you can trust. And it's as simple as that. If you'd like to see how to assign roles like editor to your trusted viewers, then check out our guide here. If you'd now like to learn how giveaways work, then click here. Or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.